the issues that media and people have raised with the cybercrime law have to be tackled in the implementing rules and guidelines to be prepared. And we would definitely invite media to be part of the development of these guidelines. One particular section I'd like to mention that if taken by itself, nakakatakot na, nakakagulat. I believe it's section 19, which seems to say that sites can be taken down. So parang SOPA to, parang FIFA sa US, which we were very, very much against. But if you read the whole section, and this is what you have to clarify, that data can be blocked only when it has been, the case has been filed, evidence has been presented, so talagang may violation. Not on the whim of any one person, any one department, any one agency. We were very clear when this bill was being prepared that there have to be proper checks and balances, just as there are in most other things in life. I said it at the start of this introduction, and I'll say it again, technology is a tool. And as we go into a brave new world, you'll see a very, very different environment for all of us. We've talked about this, we've said this. Kids are not going to get their education in a classroom. People are not going to be working from offices. People are not going to be getting their news or their entertainment from the newspapers or TV in the near future. You won't be using banks for financial transactions. Government will be outsourced. So you're going to see all these changes. And I urge everyone here, when they look at technology, as that tool, to use it for good, to use it to make the world a better place. Because as we've seen at no other time in human history, can one person change the world for the better. Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Magandang umaga. Buhay po tayo.